Hello. In SmartHCM 4.0, we have provided a special utility to upload the attendance on SmartHCM server. This utility we have here is a SmartHCM attendance machine integration system. So we will just need to install this small utility, and then we need to configure server web service and a security code which we can easily define on the server. So if I edit this, so here I need to define my server web address. So this is I have here, this is I will copy and will put it here, the same address, and a security code. For security code, I will just go here in the application and search for the integration. So here I will have SmartHCM application integration setup. So here we already have attendance uploading utility. I will just edit this, and I can put any integration code I have. I want to just connect. For example, I will put it here A B C 1 2 3 whatever, and then the same security code I will put here. After that, I will apply configuration. Once I apply configuration, it will open here a panel which will give me option to provide file name, path, file path, and interval, that after how many minutes this application will look for the attendance file. So for example, let's say I make it 60, each 60 minutes it will look for the file. I will make it as active, and from the machine format I will choose the specified format I have in the system. So for example, I have defined one format, I will choose the same, and then I will click on the save. Once I click on the save, I just need to close this utility and open it again. Okay. Here I will go in time office management setup, and I will define attendance file format. It is same like before, a little bit different. I can add here new one, and I will choose fixed length file. I will give any name, for example head office, and I will define the file format, position and length for each variable. For example, employee ID, I will say first position and 6 digits. Similarly, attendance date, I will look for its position and then how much length it is. So I already have one file I already defined here. I will choose the same. I will amend it. So for example here, attendance ID, employee ID is on 10th position and it's 6 digit. Attendance day is 38 position and 2 length. Month is 35 position and length 2. Year is 41 position and length is 4. So all I will define here. Time flag, time flag is in or out, whatever you have, I or O. Also time flag, hour, position, or time flag, in out, minute position. And then if you have a terminal number, you can make it here. And then you have what text you are using as a time flag. So here I am using I for in and O for out, so I defined the same. So after that, once I define this here, same name will appear here. So we can see here, same name is appearing here. I will choose the same and I will just save it. So file path, I will give to the correct path where file will be generated by attendance machine, and name I will give the correct name which will be generated by attendance machine. After that, I will just make this utility start, or if it is already started, so I can just restart it. So its status will show here as a running, and I will keep this utility running. So whenever attendance machine will generate attendance file, so this will look this attendance file every 60 minutes, and I can define any interval here. And if it is available there, it will take from there and will upload in the system and will delete from the actual location. Also, there is a attendance machine loading form here. Here I can load it manually here also. It will also give me all formats, and I can choose and load manually. The second tab on the same window is uploaded log. So whenever any log will be uploaded, it will appear here. So I can choose any date from here, uploaded date or attendance date or file format. There are many parameters I can choose, so it will appear here. So if I want to see any file, there is a small icon here for the file. If I click on it, it will give me the complete detail of the file which was uploaded. I can click on any and it will give me complete detail of the file which is already uploaded. So it is very simple and very easy now in SmartHCM 4.0 to integrate with the attendance machine. You just need to install this small utility, define your web service, security code, and some setups regarding file name, file path, interval, and file format. And then you just keep this utility running, and it will performing the job automatically. Thank you very much.